Second edition, Pronunciation Pairs, An Introduction to the Sounds of English. This book is written by Anne Baker and Sharon Goldstein. Hi there, I'm Teacher Carol and you're still watching Pronunciation Pairs video from Camglish.com. Do you know that it's very important when you're learning English to listen for and think about how many syllables does a word have? Let's say, for example, the word hamburger. Ham-bur-ger. This word has 3 syllables. The word ham, bur, ger. But sometimes one syllable is taken out. There's one syllable that's silent, and that would be our lesson for today. So guys, get ready as we go along and discuss about silent syllables. Let's take a look at our following words here with silent syllable. One example is the word interesting. Okay guys, if something is interesting, then you want to know about it, right? It's exciting, correct? This word, when you look at it written, it's gonna be like this. In, ter, est, ing. So, if we're going to count how many syllables do we have here, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But in speaking, we only have 3 syllables in this word. Interesting. It's gonna be like this. We don't say the word interesting. The spelling, interesting, but in speaking, interesting. This word interesting, sometimes people will say it with 4 syllables. Interesting. This one I think would be okay both ways. Like if somebody wanted to emphasize the word, maybe we could say that, very interesting. It's also okay to use 4 syllables, right? But if we want to use this word in a normal speech or in a fast speech, we have to say, that's very interesting. Very good. Okay, I'm going to use one more very common word. The word is restaurant. The spelling would be like this. Rest, ta, runt. We have here 3 syllables. But when you say this word, it's going to be like this. Restaurant. One silent syllable is taken out. So, we know this word, right? Restaurant is the place where we go out and eat out. Another example is the word comfortable. Now, many people pronounce this as ball. In spelling, that is correct. But we only have 3 syllables in this word. When we pronounce this, it's comfortable. Okay, let me use my favorite word. The word is chocolate. When we write this word, we say late. Oops, I'm sorry. Late. Looks like 3 syllables, but in speaking, we only have 2. Chocolate. Okay, guys. Let's try to repeat those words again. Interesting, restaurant, comfortable, chocolate. Let's try to use them in a sentence. That's a very interesting movie. We went out in a restaurant last week. Or we eat out in a restaurant last week. That rubber shoes is very comfortable. I like chocolate. Now that you already know silent syllables, let's take a look at our activity for today. Okay guys, your task for today is to listen like how many syllables does each word have. Write the number of syllables in the space. I will read the following words and listen carefully and try to pause the video or rewind it if you want to listen to the words again. Like in the first example, the word is chocolate. We only have 2 syllables in this word. Now, I'm gonna read number 2 to number 10. So guys, listen carefully. Interesting, special, temperature, delicious, vegetable, favorite, everyone, naturally, commercials. Okay guys, we can pause the video while you're answering this. And let's see if your answers are correct later. Good luck! Okay guys, do you already have the answers with you? Great! A while ago, I asked you to count how many syllables does each word have, then write the numbers of syllables in the space provided. Now let's take a look at if your answers are correct. Okay, here are the answers. Interesting, we have 2 syllables. Special, 2. Temperature, 3. Delicious, 3. Vegetable, 3. Favorite, 2. Everyone, 3. Naturally, 3. And commercials, 3. Did you get all the correct answers? Wow, very good. Now, which word have the sound ch among those 10 words that we have here? Can you tell me? Very good. We have the word chocolate, temperature, and the word naturally. Those words have the sound of ch. So guys, that will be all for today. Thank you for your participation and join me again in the next video. This is Teacher Carol saying goodbye.